Hey guys, Michael's Gettin Greasy Garage. So, made some progress today. I ended up not getting back to the welding, but I did get the steering box bolted on. That looks pretty good. I did have to clearance the frame a little bit. And yes, I used the sledgehammer to do that, just to put a dimple in it. Got the idler arm put on. There's the pitman arm. So that looks pretty good in there. Just getting the steering box laid out and the steering linkage. Because, you know, as I've talked about before, we had to deal with the steering column, so. And it was just a little too hot to be welding, so I didn't weld. And spent a lot of time sandblasting, cleaning bolts, wire wheeling, but all this hardware had to be cleaned up and more. Oh, there's some up there, some up there, that's in primer. So, lots and lots of time cleaning and making stuff look pretty. Nice part about real warm weather is paint dries fast. So, or at least dries enough to work with. But, yeah, just chased all the threads on everything. These are these are the pins for the lower control arms. These are the washers for those pins. I got the new steering coupler, or the rag joint as it's called. Various hardware. Those are the cross shafts for the upper control arms. But, yeah, all in all, a very productive day. Just a little bit of trial and error getting the steering box in. And, of course, you know how it is. Well, the steering box is all nice and painted up, but what about the hardware? Same with the idler arm. Where's the hardware? Oh, it's still in a bag marked for its individual assembly. Still dirty, never got cleaned up. So, stop what I'm doing there. Clean and paint the hardware. And while I'm waiting for that paint to dry, I'm doing something else. But, you know, every step is a step forward. I'm getting real close to being able to finish out this firewall. I'll be glad to get that done. And front suspension, as you can see, I'm working on that at the same time too as a filler. So kind of I hop back and forth between things, and get the front suspension in here, then get the damn engine in. I need the space that the engine is taking up too. That's the problem when you have a small shop. So, anyway, guys, not a long video today. Just cleaning, wire wheeling, sandblasting, painting, and you know, parts prep. Keep my damn hand out the way here. So, yep, one step at a time. I wish there was a magic clean the bolt fairy that just showed up every night and cleaned all this stuff up for me. That way when I come in the morning to the shop, it's all done and ready to roll. But I guess I'm that fairy. Maybe I ought to get me some a fairy wand to put in my pocket while I clean bolts tomorrow. Anyway, guys, that's enough out of me. Short video today. And anyway, if you would, please hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. If you're already subscribed, thank you. If you're not, please do. Hitting those buttons doesn't cost you a thing. Really helps out the channel. Channel is starting to grow a little bit. Growth is good. And we're here shortly. We'll be at 250 subscribers. That's a big milestone for me. You know, who'd have thunk it that so far 227 people want to watch what I do every day. So, anyway, guys, enough out of me. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one. Oh, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below.